Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be filming with my techno, okay? So ignore the quality you are seeing. Anyways, my name is Sonia and you're watching Vibe with Sonia, bringing another vibes on your table. And today I have our uncle,
Hi everyone, my name is Just Nelson Sandabas and I remain Sonia's
husband.
husband.
Anyways, guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching my husband, Igala, how to speak Igala. You guys should just like vibe to his reaction and how he usually speaks it. Then at the end of this video, you guys are going to rate it if he's speaking it like perfectly. Let me know in the comment section if you're from Igala. For those of you that don't know our history, I am from Kogi State, Igala to be precise, Olama local government, and my husband is from Abia State.
Obingwa local
Obi
government.
Ongwa local government. Okay, so yeah, with no further ado, let's just dive right into this video. So
If you're ready, I'm ready.
I'm ready. Don't worry. The first thing I will tell you is I'll say, come and eat food in Igala.
Okay.
In Igala, it is called Lajujeun. So say Lajujeun.
Wow. Lajujeum.
Like say it loud so I can hear you. Like
Come and eat food.
eh,
Lajujeum.
Lajujeun. Ujeun is food. So come is La. You
Okay.
understand? So say it again. Let me.
Lajujeum.
Okay. On that and again, say.
Very good.
You got. Yeah, you try. You try the pronunciation. You try. Okay. So the next one I'm going to say is go and fetch water.
Okay.
Go and fetch water. So say lo Kenya pomi.
Wow. Lo Kenya Omi.
Eh?
Lo Kenya Omi.
It's not loco, no.
No loco.
Say it again. Let me hear.
Lo Kenya Omi.
It's not lo Kenya pomi. It's lo Kenya pomi.
Oh, lo Kenya Omi. Like Kenya.
Lo like lo Kenya pomi.
Lo Kenya Omi. Ah, I'll get that. Lajujeum. Lo Kenya Omi.
Na kawo.
That means I will slap you.
Because I raised my hand, that's why you notice. Okay. It's because I raised my hand. Okay.
Well, the reaction on your face also told
Because I
me.
said na kawo. Okay. And then I'll tell you now is okay. Abukolode enini. Say it let me hear. Abukolode enini. How is work today?
Wow.
Abukolode
De
enini. Say it let me hear.
Abukolode enini.
Abukolode enini. Again.
Abukolode enini. I got
Okay.
it.
You try. Like you're really trying. Although I know that you are very you're over sabi. You sabi something quick. So anyway, so now let's call names of God in Igala language.
Wow.
Names of God in Igala language. So say Ojo Okpabana. Bayo Mamanya.
That one is long.
Ojo. Let's
Ojo
go.
Okpabana.
Bayo Mamanya.
Mamanya.
Again.
Ojo Okpabana.
Bayo Mamanya. You know what this means? The God of thunder and lightning.
I tried.
Again. Ojo Okpabana. Bayo Mamanya. Ojo Abuja Kiano Dama.
The God of Abuja.
Jesus, which one is God of Abuja?
What did you say?
I say Ojo Abuja
Okay.
Kiano Dama.
Ojo
Abuja Kiano Dama. Again.
Ojo Abuja.
Ojo Abuja Kiano Dama. Say it fast.
Ojo Abuja Kiano Dama.
Do you know what it means?
No.
The God that made pot from that Abuja. The God that make clay from beginning and mold it. Something like that. I don't know how to like express myself. Like God that mold pot and hey. Okay, which one will I say now? Let me say Nelson. Get to me. No. Say let me say.
Baby. Enkechu.
Nelson. Get to me. No.
Enkechu me.
No. Not no. Because some people can hear you.
Say it again.
Nelson. Get to me. No.
Baby. Enke chumi. Ntenenu.
Nelson, el get to me. Ntene no.
Okay, but I can use your name.
Eh?
Baby. Enke chumi. Ntenenu.
That means Nelson, what you're doing to me, I don't like it.
Oh, I like what you're doing to me.
But that's what it means now. Did I say you don't like what I'm
I
doing to you?
understand, but turn it. Say the other way around. Like,
Okay.
what you're doing to me, I
Nelson,
like it.
el get to me. Ntene.
Oh,
That's the vice versa.
okay.
El get to me. Ntene. So now, okay, let's go now. Like if I say la, what does it mean?
La means come.
Correct man. If I say ojo, what does it mean?
Ojo means God.
Ojo means God. If I say epi, what does it mean?
You've not taught me that one.
Epi. If I
It's
say
not like
epi,
earpiece.
what does it mean?
I don't know that one. You've not taught me. I
Igala,
can't say what I don't know.
Igala people comment in the comment section. What is the meaning of epi? What is the meaning of
Say it
epi?
here.
What is the meaning of epi? Yes, epi means your phone.
But I got it.
But you didn't say it so people hear now.
Yeah, because it's kind of.
It's okay. Epi means why did I even say that here? Anyways, what is oroka?
Orokais. Good morning.
Good afternoon. You remember that olotutu,
Oh, all of this is good morning.
good morning.
Oroka
Oroka is good afternoon. Olane,
Olane is
good evening. Okay, Abmeleke.
How are you?
Hey, that one is his popular tip. My father called him nice. Abmeleke. Abmeleke.
Laugh.
Abmeleke. Lafia. Okay, which one will I say again?
I know one.
Which one?
Who knows tomorrow?
Call it, let me hear.
Enemona.
Enemona, because that was the name that my father gave you. So don't just say that. So that's why you do it. Enemona means who knows tomorrow. That's actually his pet's name, okay? Enemona, who knows tomorrow. Okay, another one is. Let me say another one.
Yeah. I'm going.
I'm going. Nalo. Nalo.
Oh, Nalo.
Nalo.
I'm coming as well.
Nawa.
Nalo. I'm going.
Nawa. I'm coming. Nalo. I'm going. Nawa. I'm coming.
Okay.
Omakide ebiene.
This one's like warning. Serious warning.
Omakide ebiene.
So what's the meaning?
This pikin you bad.
But I'm not bad anyway.
So which one do you want to learn again?
Um.
Guys, I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you're an Igala person, comment for me in the comment section. And please let me know if he's getting the pronunciation well, okay? And if you're enjoying this video, okay? Because you guys need to enjoy it.
Please, guys, support me. I'm trying.
You're trying.
Okay. I want you to tell me how to pronounce "I'm a king."
Nchonu. Nchonu.
Nchonu.
Onu. Onu
King.
is king.
What about Ata?
Ata is like father.
Okay.
That's why they say Ata of Igala. Because that's where you take that Ata from.
Yeah.
Ata of Igala is father of Igalas.
Okay.
So
So I'm the
Onu
Ata of Igala.
is king.
Okay. Onu.
Then I'm a king. Nchonu.
Nchono.
Nchonu.
Okay. Nchonu.
Nchonu. Yes.
Nchonu
Yes.
of Igala.
Yes. So which one again?
I want to eat.
Na jeun.
Okay, now John, yeah. It
Na-
sounds like Yoruba.
Yes, now na jeun. La jeun. In Yoruba we say wa jeun. Our own is la jeun.
Mo fẹ́ jẹun.
Yoruba say mo fe jeun, which is I want to eat. Our own is na tene jeun.
Wow.
You see, like it's just like vice versa, but a little bit
Similarity.
la la lo lo. So the next one again, I'll teach you how to pronounce some names in Igala language before we end this video.
Okay,
And I hope-
fine.
So say Ojo Chenemi,
Ojo Chenemi.
which is called is my own.
Okay.
Ojo Nugwa.
Ojo Nugwa.
Ojonugwa.
Ojonugwa.
God owns the praise.
God owns the praise.
Eliojo.
Eliojo, my love.
I know that was my name now. Eliojo, it means gift from
Gift from
God.
God. God's gift. That's the meaning.
Then, Enemona, you already know it. Who knows tomorrow?
Ojo Chenemi.
Ojo Chinemi, I've said it now. Ojo Chinemi is God is my own.
Okay.
God is my own. Then another Igala name is Igala name plenty now. Why I can't forget them like that? Chegbe.
Oh,
Chegbe means do it well.
Okay.
I think Chegbe
Chegbe.
or do it well. Chegbe.
So I'm
So
trying the pronunciation right.
Omo, you try. I beg. Let's not make this video more longer than it is. I think
I'm trying, guys.
I think
Please
we'll
comment
try,
and let me know if I'm
guys.
trying.
Literally, this is how I do teach him Igala, and he's trying, he's coping, okay. And sometimes he teach me Igbo as well. So we are going to be doing the Igbo version of this video, maybe in our next video,
Yeah.
because we cannot be doing the two here, okay. So this is what you get when you get married to a man from a different location. You have to start brushing, because the way I'm doing that, I'm kind of brush you. You know, it's not easy to brush you. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this video is not too fun and it's not too longer. It's not too long or too short. But I just hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comment section. If you're an Igala person, comment. And if you're not an Igala person, also drop me your comment. Let me know if all this pronunciation I'm saying, if he's getting it very well.
At least by percentage over 100.
So now food is what?
Gem.
Food is ujem. Gem is eat.
Eat, okay. Gem is food. Then eat is
Gem.
Okay.
So yeah. Anyways, bye.
Bye for now, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget
like
to subscribe.
And share.
Don't forget to subscribe, okay? So with no further ado,
I do like
all the
awesome videos.
I'm going to be saying bye. I'll see you guys in my next one. So for now.